right, so today's problem, unique word abbreviation. Abbreviation of a word is a concatenation of its first letter, the number of characters between the first and last letter, and its last letter. If a word only has only two characters, then it is an abbreviation of itself. So dog becomes D1G, okay? Internationalization becomes I18N, because there's 18 letters between I and N. It is it, because any word with only two characters is an abbreviation of itself. Cool? Seems fine with me. So implement the valid word abbreviation class. So valid word abbreviation constructor with a string primitive array dictionary and initialize the object with a dictionary of words. So we would do valid word abbreviation with deer, door, cake, card. Okay. And then is unique, where you put in a word. It returns true if any of these conditions are met. So if there's no word in dictionary whose abbreviation is equal to word's abbreviation. So no word. Um, okay. Otherwise, or it's any word and the abbreviation is equal to word's abbreviation. Sorry, for any word whose abbreviation is equal to word's abbreviation, the word and word are the same. Okay, so we need the actual word stored too. Okay, so we're gonna do make the class. So we're gonna first do map string. We'll call it abbreviation. Right. So we're gonna make a private function. So private void, I think, abbreviate, and we're gonna give it a. We can give it the whole string, but I'm just gonna give it a string word. So we're just gonna do this dot abbreviate dot put, and then we'll put the abbreviation, and we'll put the word as the thing. So now to make the abbreviation, so string builder maybe. Let's do string builder. So we'll do. We can do int count is equal to 0 for int. Sorry for int I is equal to 0. I is less than word dot length I plus plus. And word dot length minus 1. So actually we're going to start from 1. And length, so length in a string, if the string is, let's say the word is the, then word dot length will give me 3. So minus 1 will give me 2. We really just want the range in between, so we're going to do minus 2 here. So everything we'll just do count plus plus. Right, now if, so we are going to do sp dot append. We're going to append the word dot char at, we're going to do at 0. We're going to do dot append. And now we'll do a count equals 0. We will append nothing. Otherwise, we will append count. And then we'll do append word dot char at word dot length minus 1. Cool. So now that we have the SB, we're going to do string abbreviation is equal to SB dot toString. Don't really need it, but you know, I think it's probably better to do it this way. Cleaner. And then we'll just put it in. And I think that's good. So we'll abbreviate for each word. So now we'll do abbreviation map. Let's call it map equals new hash map. So for every string word in dictionary, we will do abbreviate word. Okay, and that's the initialization. Cool. Yeah. So now is unique. So it returns a boolean. So our first check is going to be there's no word. So if abbreviation map dot contains key, so if it does not contain the key, oops, if it does not contain the key word, then we're going to go ahead and return true. Okay, so if it doesn't contain the key, we're going to return true. Now else, if abbreviation map dot get word, sorry, word, not word, and it should be word, it should be abbreviate word. Yeah. Now if abbreviate, okay, let me do string abbreviated word is equal to abbreviate word. So if abbreviated word is contained, cool, then return true. If the value of abbreviated word is equal to word, we'll return true. Otherwise, return false. Yeah, I think that should be it. See, compile error. Great, wonderful. Void cannot be converted to string. String. Right. Right. Okay. So let's just refactor this to be a string. We're going to go ahead and return the abbreviated thing. And we will do this where string abbreviate is equal to abbreviate word, and we'll do abbreviate map dot put abbreviated word and word. Okay, that should be good. So null, false, true, false, true. Oh, I got false. Why? Show diff. Why is that? Why did that happen? Okay, so dear door cake card. I get false. So I'm confused. Dear return false. Door. Sorry, dear return false. Cart. There's no cart. Cart. Why? Why did cart return true? Oh, because it doesn't exist. Oh, okay, right. Okay. I forgot this check. No, well, there's no word in dictionary whose abbreviation is equal to word's abbreviation. Oh, okay. Right. So if it doesn't exist, so let's see. Cart came in. We have card. Well, cart doesn't exist, so that makes sense. Cane, so false, true. Cane comes in. Cane, it has the key. Okay, so it has the key. And cane does not equal this. Okay. Um, I'm confused there. Cane. So now we have cake, so it should be C2E. C2E is what would be returned. Um, oh, dot. It's this. It's a poor equals double equals sign, and now we have the no diff. That double equals is not right because okay, we'll check this, but double equals is not right here because um, this double equals is a reference to the object. This dot equals checks the value of abbreviated word in Word. Okay, so what's wrong here? So we have dear door cake card. Dear false. Door true. Why does um I'm pretty sure door should be true. Door matches door. Deer is D2R. Oh. Oh snap. Okay, so my map implementation fails because D2R comes as deer and D2R comes as door. Okay, so simple change. So instead of it being a single string, we're going to make it a list of strings. Okay, so when we abbreviate the word, we're going to do, we're going to put it here, and actually we're going to do list of string is list is equal to abbreviated map dot get or default abbreviation new array list, and then we're going to do list dot add word, and we're going to put list. Now instead of equals, it's going to be contain word, and I think that should be it. So that works, and then wrong answer again. Okay, so let's see, same thing. So deer comes back as false. Door is true. Why should it be false? Okay, actually, I think I did this wrong. Let's see. It doesn't actually specify, this question doesn't specify if only one, oh, maybe it does, hold on. Dictionary.length is, okay. Dictionary, each word is less than 20 characters. Dictionary of I. Yeah, it doesn't specify that dictionary, can only have one word. Because if we look at this case, deer would go in, door would override, but it seems like it wants door to not override. It just wants it to be the original one. But I don't think that that's correct. Nowhere does it say that here. Um, I'm gonna check the solution because that seems kind of interesting. Um, Soon we should pre-process the hash table supports concept time. Here's a group of words that fall into the same for the value. We use a set instead of a list. Interesting. So I was very close to guarantee uniqueness. So the logic. So I don't think it's that. Um, I mean, interesting. So two abbreviation. Okay, so abbreviation and then words. So if words is null, okay, that doesn't exist. Words size is one, and words contains words. So that's interesting. But so for every string, it abbreviates it and it sets. Yeah, so this is just getter default, okay? And it adds word and it puts it. So that's the same, except for they're using sets. This is unique is a little bit weird, but it verifies it's one, otherwise it's the same. It abbreviates. Sure. See, what are the comments? Huh. So apparently the requirements are people are having trouble with this one. Let's get this discussion. Search for a word in the dictionary. If this word, also this word's abbreviation, is not in the dictionary, or this word and only its abbreviation is in the dictionary. Oh, interesting. So if either of the following conditions are met, there's no word in dictionary. So a word does not exist in the dictionary, or any word in dictionary that has the same abbreviation, those two are the same. So dig is the same, but it's not unique. Dog and dog, dog, dig, and dog. Interesting. Interesting. Okay, if that's the case, which, I mean, it seems like that problem is, that's a little bit confusing. We'll do a set, and we'll do new hash set, right? Um, and it has to be contains and the abbreviation map. I guess I shouldn't call it a new. Oh no, dot get abbreviation word dot size is equal to 1, right? And this should be good. Run code, compile it. Oh, I made a list that I never. Right, map. Sorry, set of string. We'll call it set, set, and set. I think that should be okay. No, no diff, and then finally got it accepted. Okay, the description is a little weird, but it makes sense. It's saying it can never be unique because there's two words with the same abbreviation in this case. Okay, that's it. Thanks.